When p-type material and n-type material are taken close to each other, it forms a junction. So electron is donated by n region. So the one who donates electron acquires positive charge. So n side will acquire positive charge. P side is accepting the electron. So if P side is accepting the electrons, it will acquire negative charge. और exchange होगा क्या? और exchange नहीं होगा. Reason? They have formed a wall. They have blocked the path of more electrons. Are not going to cross this border or junction. So when their saturation is reached, or you can say no more electrons can be transferred to P side, then we can say PN junction has formed. So this junction also called as barrier or junction. If you want to push more electron, you have to break this barrier. So the way, suppose you have a dam and there is water in that and there is a barrier to that dam. So if water has to go on the other side, has to jump this. So to jump this, it needs more energy. That energy either you can supply or it can get from heat or light, something like that. So barrier break करने के लिए we have some potential. That is called as barrier potential. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Barrier potential. Any doubt in PN junction? PN junction का two forms are there. Like biasing is there. So biasing is of two types. Forward bias and reverse bias. In case of forward bias, P side is connected to positive terminal of battery and N side is connected to negative terminal of battery. That is called as forward bias. When P side is connected to positive terminal of battery, so these holes are pushed away from the battery. Electrons are also pushed away from the battery. So your junction will become thin. Junction क्या हो जाएगा? बहुत पतला हो जाएगा. See, if I show two layers in case of PN junction, somewhat like this. Then in forward bias, only one layer will be there. फॉरवर्ड बैस में बैरियर पोटेंशियल ब्रेक करने के लिए जो चाहिए दैट इज वेरी स्मॉल 0.7 वोल्ट. So अगर if you want to draw a graph, x axis will take voltage, y axis will take current. So at 0.7 your diode is going to conduct heavily. मतलब 0.699 पे कंडक्शन चालू हो जाता है and will have very high current at 0.7. Whereas in case of reverse bias, P side is connected to negative terminal of battery. So if it is connected to negative terminal of battery, P side, then it is going to pull all the holes towards it, and P side or towards N side is connected to positive terminal of battery. So it is going to pull all the electrons. So the junction will become broad. Junction थोड़ा broad हो जाएगा. So initial से थोड़ा ज़्यादा broad हो जाएगा. Somewhat like this. So if it is broad, then you need to have more voltage to break this. ज़्यादा voltage लगेगा break करने के लिए. And उल्टा connect कर दिया हमने बैटरी को. तो इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो that comes in third quadrant. Both current and voltage negative. And it breaks at very high voltage. बहुत ज़्यादा voltage पे break होगा. And the point at which it breaks, that point is called as breakdown voltage. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Breakdown voltage. और इस voltage के बाद इसको वापस use नहीं कर सकते. We cannot use it again. Then you have to throw your diode. It can be 50 volt, 10 volt, 30 volt, 100 volt like that. लेकिन forward bias में conducts at very small voltage. Example 0.7 volt पे pure semiconductor will work. 0.7 and 1 volt. Like हमने देखा था ना ये semiconductor का this that is energy gap was 1 EV means 1 volt. So it starts conducting near about 1 volt. Impurity add किया तो less than 1 volt हो गया, 0.7 हो गया. So forward bias means P side is connected to positive terminal of battery and N side is connected to negative terminal of battery. And reverse bias means P side is connected to negative terminal of battery and N side is connected to positive terminal